Hi friends, welcome to the new episode of Starting Along. Today we are going to make dates cake. For that we have to take dates. I am here using 40 numbers of dates because I am using 2 cups of flour. For 1 cup of flour, half the quantity is enough. And depending upon the sweetness of the dates, you can increase or decrease the quantity. Remove the seeds, then smash the dates very well, as shown in the video. This is the first step in the cake making process. After that, we have to prepare a cake tin. So take a cake tin, apply butter inside, spread it well. Then we can put the flour inside directly to the prepared cake tin. Make the mix as shown in the video with baking powder, flour and baking soda. Sieve it inside the container directly. After that you remove it. Then the remains of the flour will make a layer inside the container. That is my strategy. You can try the same thing on. Okay. Remove and remains also remove from. Now the cake tin is ready. Keep it aside. Now we have to make a caramel syrup. For that take sugar and add little water. Heat it first in a high flame. Once the sugar and water start boiling and color start to change, lower the flame to low as possible. Carefully watch the color changing. Don't allow to burn the syrup. That is the main concern here. Once the color changes to the required stage, add some quantity of water, about 100 ml of water, slowly and carefully. It's time to add the water. Now the color is ready. So add the water and mix well. Then add the smashed dates and mix it also very well. Cook for about 3-4 minutes. By the time it will mix well and the water content will also reduce. Keep it aside and allow to cool. Now we can powder sugar and some cloves. Make a powder, sugar powder. In the same jar we can use to make the egg mix. 4 eggs I am using 2 for the 2 cups of flour. Add the egg, then add vanilla essence, mix it. Then add vegetable oil and butter, mix it. After that add the powdered sugar little by little and make the batter. Add this batter to the caramelized dates mix. Mix it well. Remove some quantity to the mixer jar and put some cashew nut, crush it little. Then add the flour and this cashew, mix everything together and mix well. Then transfer the mix to the container, cake container, and level it. Tap gently to remove the air bubbles. Then bake it in an oven, preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Once it is cooked, remove it from the oven, allow it to cool. Then cut it by using a knife see the color of the cake. It's very dark in color, very beautiful one, and the moisture content is very good. This dates cake having a very good moisture content than other types of cake. It's a tastier one. You can increase the quantity of the sugar depending upon the sweetness of the date. Okay, try it. It's a very delicious one, and share with your friends. Not the video. I am asking you to share the cake which you make with your friends and relatives. That will give you more happiness. Okay, thank you for watching. I will come with another item with another episode. Thank you for watching once again.